Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making texture plates for my gel press, and they can also be used as rubber stamps. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some texture plates. I love using my gel press to make cards and envelopes for my friends. It's one of my favorite things to do. So make sure to check out gelpress.com. I'll leave links in the description. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Bye.